So I honestly thought that this would be the last state of my backyard. I loved this little checkered pathway, and I thought that it would be pretty simple to keep it up to date and like keep it clean with like a weed eater. It's not. It's a pain in the butt, so we've got to change it. So I'm thinking something like this with the little rocks and the pebbles to keep the grass from growing, and it looks really cute. Alright, for reference, this is what I use to line the pathway. And then these are what I used for like the actual stones. Alright, first things first, I don't want the weeds to be growing through my little rock pathway, so I'm gonna get some of this weed blocker. It's essentially like a really thick trash bag, is all it is. So I have really, really thick ones for $72. We're gonna get the cheapo one for $14. Alright, these are the little pebbles that I want for the yard. Should I just buy them? I'm in the mood to buy stuff. Maybe I should. I like this color, that's for sure. Those are too big. I want these. They look way too dark in the bags, but I'm really hoping that the color down here is right. Alright, it's been approximately 6 hours. Let's see if this stuff is semi-dried yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is rock hard. It says it takes about 48 hours to like fully solidify. But it's doing so good. That looks awesome so far. Oh yeah. This stuff is so cool. Alrighty, so it is day 3 of me doing the pathway, rockway, whatever, to the trellis. And I am so tired. Yesterday I didn't even film because I was like literally in my swimsuit because it was so freaking hot outside. So, which I would not recommend because there's nothing to like wipe off your sweat. Wear a baggy t-shirt like I'm wearing today. Yeah, hopefully this is gonna be my last, no, my second to last thing is finishing up the rocks, which is today. Hopefully it's short. And then I've got to go online on Amazon to buy, I keep calling it the glue. It's like the glue that holds all the rocks together. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Fingers crossed I don't buy any more flowers. I don't need them yet. I don't need them yet, I don't think. I don't know. You see doggy poo-poo?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's humbling.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.